Hello guys, how are you? For today's video, I'll be sharing with you tips in which you can make your classroom more fun and entertaining. Are you a seasoned teacher and you've been wondering what exactly to do to add life to your classroom? Well, think no more because today's video answer that question of yours. The first thing you have to consider in order to add life to your classroom is the use of flashcards. Flashcard is very important, like it helps you to introduce target vocabularies. When you prepare a lesson plan, make sure you have a good flashcard in mind that you intend to use. Another technique that you can use to add life into your classroom is the use of physical objects. Like, let us say you intend to teach a restaurant dialogue. You might decide to go into the classroom with a menu from any of the restaurant. When you present these real objects to students, it sticks in their mind because they have a picture of what you're teaching in their mindset. Therefore, it adds reality into the lesson. Another aspect which you can use in order to add life or fun into your lessons is for you to make use of gestures and actions. Yeah, when you teach, try to mime whatever you're teaching, especially action words, adjectives, verbs. Mime these gestures. It sticks in the minds of the students because they will actually get a pictorial representation of what you are teaching. And besides gestures and actions, you may also make use of songs and videos. But before you do that, you have to find out from students what songs or video which they like. Another way to figure out what they like is to look at what is trending. Yeah, look at the song that is trending. Look at the movie that is trending and try to see how you might incorporate this in your lesson. Like, let us say you are about to teach introductory lessons like what's your name or talking about your names. Perhaps you go out and look for songs that has lyrics or themes that involve introduction or getting to know you. This equally helps to make your student to follow up on the lesson, and as far as they are happy, they'll be motivated to attend your class each time it's time for you to teach. And the next point that you might want to consider in order to make your classroom more fun is the use of the internet surfing. Yeah, most often teachers tend to ignore this aspect, although not willingly. But making use of the internet is quite good, especially if you are in a school that has a computer lab. Go there with the students, assign a task, let them work by themselves, let them try to explore the internet and find out information. You might want to think of a subject like history. If you're teaching history, perhaps you tell the students to go there and find out information about world wonders, like information about the Eiffel Tower in France, the pyramids in Egypt. Another aspect, when they do this, they are happy because they learn by themselves, active learning, and you are just there as a guide. This really helps a lot. So there you go. I hope these few points helps you in your next lesson, because remember, kids tend to pay attention when they are having fun in the lesson and when they like you, the teacher, like they can actually relate with you. So make sure your next class is entertaining and fun. Thanks for watching, and please, if you've not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like the video and share with friends and family. Bye bye for now. See you.